So, if you're managing a Linux environment, chances are you've run into Spice for virtualization, right? Today, we're going to break down why ThinLinc isn't just some replacement, it's a massive upgrade. Okay, let's just dive right in. On one side, you've got Spice. It's always kind of struggled over WAN. But on the other side, you've got ThinLinc. We're talking enterprise grade, built for high performance, wherever your users are. This is the decision that a lot of organizations are having to make, like right now. The Spice problem. You could say it's a tool that's really reached its end. Let's talk about why. Spice is officially deprecated in RHEL 9. Now, this isn't some small update, folks. When a giant like Red Hat pulls the plug on a tool, that's a huge signal. That brings us to the solution. Let's introduce ThinLinc, the modern way forward. Here's a massive difference. ThinLinc delivers the same awesome performance, whether you're on a VM or a beastly bare metal server. That kind of flexibility is an absolute game changer. How is it actually better for your day-to-day? You know, for your users and, just as importantly, for you admins. All right, we're talking performance, features, and security. This is where it gets really interesting. Look at performance in low bandwidth. With ThinLinc, you have optimized rendering. And for user scalability, it's designed for large scale. And ThinLinc provides actual session persistence. So what's the secret sauce for ThinLinc's crazy smooth performance, even on a bad connection? It's all about server-side rendering. Basically, all the heavy lifting for those intense apps like 3D modeling or CAD happens on your powerful server. What does your user get? A totally fluid, responsive experience, even if they're on a cheap laptop. ThinLinc gives you this clean, centralized, web-based dashboard. Managing users, setting permissions, checking on server health, it all becomes incredibly simple. Security isn't some add-on, it is baked right into the core of ThinLinc. You get full SSH encryption out of the box, you get native support for MFA and Active Directory, and you get USB redirection that actually works reliably across Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's talk about the future-proof solution and why it's time to switch today. What's so special about 10? Well, it means you can download the full-featured enterprise-grade version of ThinLinc and use it for up to 10 concurrent users. We're not talking a stripped-down version either. This is the real deal. It's the perfect way to try it out and prove its value in your own environment with zero risk. Go try it for yourself today at sendio.com, because really, at the end of the day, isn't the goal to give your users that perfect local experience no matter where they are in the world?